Changing the email link to your PayPal account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Select email addresses. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Email or Email Addresses. Click on it to view your current email addresses linked to your account. Step 4. Add a new email address. Click on the option to add a new email address. Enter the new email you wish to link to your PayPal account and follow any prompts to verify it. Step 5. Remove the old email address. After successfully adding and verifying the new email, you can remove the old email address by selecting it and choosing the option to delete or remove it from your account. Once you have completed these steps, your PayPal account will be updated with the new email address. Make sure to check your email for any verification messages from PayPal.